Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Welcome back. If you're a fan of the heat, well, we have a couple more days in the 80s today and tomorrow. It appears that a cold front will slice through tomorrow night leading into Tuesday, and that's going to lead into a very pleasant stretch of autumn weather. We're talking about highs in the 60s, a peaceful wind, lots of sunshine also expected to be delivered during the second half of this week. Looking outside in Grand Rapids right now, maintaining those mostly clear skies. It's very mild this morning with a temperature of 62 as the wind continues to flow in from the south. Current temperatures are in the 60s and 70s as the wind is from the south, currently near 5 miles per hour, slightly stronger at the lakefront in both Muskegon and Ludington. Heading into this afternoon, temperatures should be able to peak in the lower to middle 80s, expecting to see temperatures make a run at the record high temperatures for today. 78 in Hart as well as Whitehall, 84 degrees in Greenville. Typical highs today are in the mid 60s. Our average high in Grand Rapids is 66. It's going to be nearly 20 degrees above that today. 84 the expected high temperature, 81 for Howland, 84 in Hastings, 85 as you approach Portland. Shifting things south, 84 degrees Battle Creek, 85 in Dowagiac. Here's a peek at our forecast highs versus the records for today. Here in Grand Rapids, we're probably going to come up 1 degree short of the record, which has stood since 1946. In Holland, just a few degrees off of that record high temperature. And you can see that Kalamazoo and Battle Creek will also be fairly close to the records. In addition to that, we also have a beach hazard statement as you move into northern beaches. You can see that red flags are expected, even though on a lot of the beaches the flags have been removed. But again, the wind is expected to become stronger here today, and that could lead to some greater risk at the lakeshore with those beach hazard statements in effect through Monday. In addition to that, we also have, of course, the drought, so make sure to avoid outdoor burning as fires can spread more easily with the wind. Clear skies, comfortable conditions for Game 2 of the ALDS. Thankfully, the Tigers were able to pull out the win in Game 1. You won't have to stay up quite as late tonight. First pitch at 8:03 versus 8:38 for last night's game. Here's a look at Storm Track Live. You can find the cold front, which is currently draped over the Dakotas. That's going to be coming in as we get into tomorrow evening. That's likely to increase the cloud cover, delivering a chance of rain and perhaps a couple of storms before high pressure takes over as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday. Rainfall amounts varying between 1/10 and 1/2 inch. You can see the spread here for Grand Rapids. In all likelihood, we'll end up with somewhere near 1/4 inch of rain. And while there isn't really a risk of severe weather, we could hear a few rumbles of thunder as we head into tomorrow night. There's a look at your 8-day forecast, and it looks like we will cool things off nicely with sunshine and 60s.